Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to store notes in Asana. Whether you're tracking project details, documenting test results, or simply keeping important information organized, knowing how to properly store notes within your tasks will help you maintain clear records and ensure nothing gets lost in the shuffle. First, you'll want to open the project where your task is located, navigate through your Asana workspace, and click on the specific project that contains the task you need to add notes to. This brings up your task list, giving you a clear view of all the items within that project. From the task list, click on the task itself. This action opens up the task details pane on the right side of your screen, where you'll have access to all the information and options related to that specific task. This is your workspace for adding detailed notes and documentation. Now look for the description field on the right side of the task details pane. Click inside this field to activate it. The description area is perfect for storing detailed notes that provide context or instructions for the task. For example, you might type something like, check the web function response time and error handling. This gives you a permanent record that stays with the task. Once you're done typing, simply click outside the description box. Asana automatically saves your notes, so you don't need to worry about hitting a save button. If you need to add additional notes or want to document something that happened after the task was created, scroll down to the right a comment box below the description. This section is ideal for adding timestamped updates or follow-up information. Click inside the comment box and type your note. For instance, you could write test performed on 11/15, results satisfactory. This creates a chronological record of activity on the task. After typing your comment, click the comment button to save it. Your comment will now appear in the task's activity feed with a timestamp, making it easy to track when specific notes were added and keeping a clear audit trail of all updates. And that's how you effectively store notes in Asana using both the description field for permanent details and comments for ongoing updates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.